So, kung ano man yung knowledge mo, kung kailangan ng, syempre, downline mo, ng tulong mo, tulungan mo. If your crossline needs some help, extend your help as well. Liwanag? Yes. Okay, so, that's our why. So, pagsimula po tayo dito. It's the ABCs of network marketing. ABCs. Hanggang dito, patay. Nawalan na.
Wala na.
Time check ko ba
9:30.
9:30. Okay, so, alright. Let's start tayo sa A. What's A? Is attitude. Okay? Attitude. That's the best way, or that's the best way to start in this business. Why? This pie chart, you should it should always be 20% skills, 90 or 80% attitude. Okay? Discuss mo muna lahat ng attitude, kumbaga. Bakit